You know SEO is important to your business. There's so much dang snake oil out there, though, it's hard to understand what's right or who to trust. And trying to figure out what matters to Google can make your head explode. And while there are a ton of factors that are important to SEO, if you're not executing the work, there's really only 3 core concepts you need to understand. And if you get those things right, you'll build a great foundation for SEO success. Google's built the greatest knowledge company in the history of the world, and they've done so simply by connecting people with the information that they seek. So when you go to Google and you don't find the information that you're looking for, and that happens over and over again, you'll stop using Google and their whole house of cards comes tumbling down. That means that what matters to Google the most is delivering a great user experience. And that's the first concept you need to understand. And you can build a great user experience on your site by delivering great content, making it easy for people to consume that content, and giving them a reason to spend time with you. And Google judges that user experience based on a giant formula or algorithm with hundreds of variables that they change more than once per day. And we know most of those variables fall into one of 2 categories: authority and credibility. And these are the other 2 concepts you need to understand. Authoritative factors are things that primarily happen on your website and you have control over. Things like how quickly does your site load, what kind of errors do you have, what's your content, how well is it optimized towards keywords. But if Google's formula only relied on factors you had control over, it'd be really easy to game the system. So they look for credibility that happens elsewhere on the web. And that's primarily by how other sites talk about you and what kind of links you have back to your website. Now, in future videos, we'll be delivering more specific tips on how you can improve your SEO. But if you build great user experience, you demonstrate authority, and you create credibility for your website, you'll be well on your way to SEO success. Stay safe, be well, and be generous with giving and accepting help.